Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram story not available on your iPhone and iPad. If you open your Instagram but face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle. At least the 30 second you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode. At least the 30 second you have turned it off, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, then click on journal, scroll down, then click on transfer reset iPhone, then click on reset, then click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode, and after reset network setting check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your again iPhone and iPad setting, then click on journal, then click on iPhone storage, and from here search for Instagram app, click on Instagram, and from here you make sure that offload your app, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method, go back and open your Play Store and App Store, and from here search for this Instagram app, click on Instagram, and from here what you need to do it, update your Instagram. After update your Instagram, I hope your problem will be fixed. If this video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.